Well, now it's time to dress up the second page, and we're going to put a story on there called the Senses. So it's File. This should be quite straightforward now. File, locate the Senses. InDesign picks up the text file. We can just click it in the column, slide our column up. The red indicator says that we still have some more to go. Click near the top, slide that up, and do the same. Drag down a little more. So that particular file occupies page 2. When I look at that, it's highly likely that as we change the height and formatting of some of that text and even allow some space, let me indicate, if we click in here and hit the enter key, just push that down a little, leave ourselves some space within that frame there to put a graphic to dress things up a little. We're going to need to go on to the third page with our frame. So we'll pick our object selection tool, roll it up a little. So I'm planning a graphic in this part here and another graphic there. I'll click on the story and place it again in that zone. So it occupies the whole of that column. So we're pretty set now. Page 2 and page 3 have the story flowing from one point to another. So I'd like you to do that as your next phase. Dress up the text in the same way that we did before, changing the height of each of those. I'm sure you can manage that, but it's just text. Drag over there, look down in the control palette down here, and set the appropriate font and text height. You don't have to follow our rules. By this stage you should be developing some eye for how to lay things out, and I'm sure your ability to lay things out is at least as good as mine. The key issue is we are happily making stories flow from one column to another, and we can leave some space in there ready to insert a graphic.